All right. Example 1 on limit by direct substitution. So I said when we're solving for limit, what do? First, direct substitution. All right. That's why I'm taking this method first. So it's simple. All right. Simple. What do we want to do? I said lim solution. It said lim x tends to what? 2 in what? X squared plus 3. All right. So what do? Direct substitution. Substitute what? Directly. All right. That will be what? 2 raised to the power what? Plus what? And that will be what? 4 plus 3, which is equal to what? 7. Direct substitution. All right. Example 2. Example 2. I should come again. All right. So let me recap. I said when solving for limits, all right, the first thing that we do is what? Substitute what? Directly. Whatever you are given that your x tends to, substitute it into your what? Given function. Your given function. What is your given function? When I wrote the definition for limit, I said what? Lim f of x and x tends to what? To a. Which is our f of x? This is our f of x, function of x. All right. X tends to what here? A. X tends to what? 2. All right. So here now, what we're saying is that what? Substitute 2. All right. Into what? Into x. Into the given function. Do you get that? So that's it. Substitute for x into the given function. That's the first thing when solving for limits. All right. So now, example 2. All right. Example 2 says what? Lim x tends to 2. All right. 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. Right. So same thing applies here. They said lim x tends to 2, 2x minus 3x plus 4. So what do? You just substitute what? 2 into the given function. It's still the same thing, right? So that's what? 2 open bracket what? 2 square minus what? 3 open bracket 2 plus 4. And that will be what? 2 square is what? 4. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Let's say 2 open bracket 4 minus what? Plus 4. 2 times 4 minus what? 3 times 2, 6 plus what? 4. And that will be what? Minus 6 plus 4 is what? Minus 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. And that will be our final answer. Lim x tends to 0 in what? 3x squared. Alright, sorry, 3x cubed plus 4x. That's a plus 2x over what? 4x squared. Right. It is 4x squared. X squared plus 5x. Alright. Given something like this. Where? Plus 2x. Alright. So you are given lim x tends to 0. Right? In what? 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x over what? X squared plus 5x. Alright? X squared plus 5x. So what do? Like I said, when given question for on limit, the first thing you do is what? Substitute directly. So substituting this one directly is what? On a normal day as a mathematics student, what will happen here? 0 over 0. 0 over 0. Because if you substitute for x into all the given x here, if you substitute 0, that will be what? 0. I'm saying 3 open bracket 0 cube plus 4 open bracket what? 4 open bracket 0 square 0 square plus 2 open bracket 0 over what? 0 square. And now what? Everything multiplied by 0 is what? 0 plus 0 plus 0 over what? 0 plus 0, which is what? 0 over 0. And 0 over 0 is what? Undefined or an indeterminate function. Undefined or indeterminate. Alright? You either call it undefined or indeterminate. So now, we now move to the next method. Alright? Which is what? By factorization. By factorization. Right? Now let's look at this. We can factorize or not? We can factorize. So when we say we are factorizing, that would be what? Lim x tends to 0. They give us what? 3x cubed plus 4x squared. Alright? Plus what? Plus 2x over what? X squared. X squared plus 5x. So this is our given question, alright? So we now substituted directly, but it didn't work, alright? So we now say that what? We move to what? Factorization. So what's the idea of factorization? Our normal mathematics, alright? Just factorize. So to factorize this, we can say that what? X is common. X is common. Are you with me? Are you sure? You are not with me. You are not with me. Yeah, now. Yeah, now. God will be with you. So this will be what? X is common here. So we can bring X outside. We have what? X, open bracket what? Alright? Alright? Plus 2. Over what? X plus 5. So we can say that what? S can cancel what? X. So we are left with what? 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 over what? X plus 5. Do we get that? Yeah. So we can now say that lim x tends to what? 0. Now 3x squared plus 4x plus 2 over what? X plus 5. We can now work with this now. Alright? We can work with this. So this will be what? Substituting. 3 open bracket what? 0 square plus 4 open bracket what? 0 plus 2 over what? 0 plus 5. Do you get that? Yes. What's on? It is stopped. So this will be what? 3 open bracket 0 square is what? 0. Plus what? Plus what? Over what? And that will give us what? 2 over 5. Do you get that? Yes. What's your question? 4. Example 4. So what does example 4 says? Lim x tends to 7. Yes. 2 minus no, let's take example 5 first. What's our example 5? X cubed minus 8. Lim. Alright, example 4 says what? Lim x tends to 2. X cubed minus 8 over what? X squared minus 4. Alright. So looking at this, what do we do first? Direct substitution. Direct substitution. So let's substitute. Solution. That what? Solution. So when we use direct substitution for this, that was 2 raised to the power 3 minus what? Minus 8, right? Yes. Over what? 2 raised to the power 2 minus what? 2 raised to the power 3 is what? 2 raised to the power 2 is what? And that was what? 0 over 0. Undefined or indeterminate. Right? So what do you do? Look at it very well. What do you do next? What do you do? Rationalize. We cannot rationalize. Factorization. Factorization. So now, factorizing this. How do we factorize this? How do we factorize? Alright. So we should break it down. Correct? So we said we have what? Lim x tends to 2. X cubed minus 8 over what? X squared minus 4. I want to solve by factorization. Remember, in mathematics, we have something called difference of what? Square. we have something called what? Difference of what? Cube. Look at it very well. When you substitute 2 raised to power 3, it still gives what? 8. When you substitute 2 raised to power 2, it gives what? 4. So we can now use what? Use difference of cube for the what? Numerator, and use difference of what? Squares for the what? Denominator. Do you get that? What I'm saying is difference of squares. The rule for difference of squares, it says what? We have what? A square minus b square is equals to what? A plus b, a minus b. Do you get that? The difference of cube, it says what? A cube minus b cube is equals to what? A minus b in bracket what? A square plus ab plus what? B square. Do we get that? So this is difference of square, and this is what? Difference of cube. So now let's apply difference of cube to the what? To the numerator. That will be what? X cube minus 8, which is still what? 2 cube minus what? Minus 8, right? So we can say that what? We can say that x is equals to 2. Since our x is equals to 2, so we can use what? X minus 2. X minus 2. Okay, sorry. Yes, we have x cube minus what? Minus 8, which is can be written as what? S cube minus what? 2 cube. So we've written it in this form. Are we together? Are you sure? X cube minus what? 2 cube. I said difference of cube says what? When we have a cube, like another letter, we have letter a cube minus what? B cube. All right, it will give a minus b. All right, a square plus ab plus what? B square. Do you get that? So I now want us to relate it to this now. So to write this in this format, we have to write it as what? X cube minus what? Minus 2 cube. Do we get that? X cube minus what? 2 cube. So then that will give us what? Now let's apply this to it. X minus 2 x square plus 2x plus what? Plus 2 square, and 2 square is what? 4. Do we get that? Now let's apply difference of square to the what? To the denominator. So we can write that also as what? X square minus what? 2 square, which is what? X minus 2 x plus 2. Do we get that? We can write it as what? X minus 2x plus what? Plus 2. This one?
Yes, is it one?
Yeah, this one. This is for the denominator. This is the denominator. And this is what? Numerator. Alright, now let's move on. So we can write all this now. We can write it in this form to be what? We now have lim x tends to what? 2. We have what? The numerator will now be what? X minus 2, alright? Open bracket what? X square plus 2x plus 4 over what? X minus 2 x plus 2. So what do you notice now? X minus 2 can cancel x minus 2. Can you see mathematics? It is step by step. Alright? We move step by step. When you understand the step, you'll be able to solve it. So now we said this one can cancel what? This one, alright? So we have what now? Lim x tends to what? 2. X squared plus what? Plus 2x plus 4 over what? X plus 2. Now we can now substitute x is equals to what? 2. Alright? Substitute x is equals to 2. So now, to substitute x is equals to 2, what do we do? Can you see everything we are doing in this factorization and rationalization? Yeah, rationalization. It will still end up in direct substitution. So it's more of under direct substitution, right? So now let's say that what? We have what? We want to substitute for x into the given what? Function. That what? 2 square plus what? 2 open bracket 2 plus what? Plus 4 over what? 2 plus 2. So this will give what? 2 square is what? Plus 4 plus 4 over 2 plus 2. And that what? 4 plus 4? 8 plus 4 over what? And that will give us what? Our final answer what? So instead of getting an undefined function here, so we have to go through all this to get what? A correct answer, which is what? 3. Are we together? Are we sure? Are we sure?